What's up again, Life is a Mission family? What's up, One Nation, Speak My Mind family? Well, as you can see, today, you know, see it? Look on the brand. Yes, man. You gotta check out where I go on, because you know me have a little bun drive. You know, a little give back bun drive. You know, so we can cater to even 10 somebody. So, we are going to see where I go on. Because you don't know, we have to check where I go on. So we know we can allocate this amount of funds that we need.
Are the best one that in a
What on, people? Alright, I wonder, you know, if these, you know, they might look small, but you know, the containers and, you know, kind of look appropriate. And then, as you know, most of the people might not have the privilege of cutting or having knife. So I was wondering, instead of buy this, like how these are already packaged, the packages, you know, and cut and slice up and thing would be easier for these people. So honestly, well, it's not like me I do a live one you can comment, but I feel like I'm going to take some of these instead. You know, just because of the package access, they can easily access these. Yeah. So I feel like I'm going to use some of this, my people. Instead of, you know, I have to go like with these, where them have to go cut up and all them something there. Yeah. So I'm going to work with these. You know, the packaging kind of appropriate in a sense. So I'm going to work with these. Alright, people? One Miss Birdie them say. One dozen people. 3 across the line, and this is 4, 3, 6. But may I say 3, 4 is 12. May I chat foolishness. 3, 4 is 12. 4 in a row come down. 3 across. Wow. Yeah, what I see for same.
so you say? Never bad. Bar right and go over that same price, man. So actually know the person. Not know the person, but know exactly say that person took a basket.
Okay.
And add access to the person number and call him. And you know one with basket and the person come back many times and stop and
I still don't care about the basket.
Care about the basket.
Me I confront them face to face now.
No, but the person know one time they change the hairstyle and when you see them look for them so they know that you know they are them. Yeah, no, because I'm in the car.
I'm gonna stop every time she come here, you know. Oh yeah, come that easy there you stop come or you carry my basket come, cause every time you come here me I remind you. Make your conscience bother you.
Stop. I hear her the day upon the phone. I don't want the basket. And she come and never bring it back.
Which machine? Afraid of NCB machine them, you know. Afraid of them, you know, man.
Savings are checking.
Savings. Afraid of NCB machine. Trust me. Oh, this is the road one, no?
Yeah.
So we are with you?
Where's the 8,000?
658.45.
Alright. So my people, me are going on Price Mart now. Me have to go get a box to pack these things properly. Yes, man. And this is called support. We support Miss Birdie that Dr. Marigo has signed a contract with. So this is why Doctor has been signed to get her people to support Miss Birdie brand. And this is exactly what I'm doing. So this is my way of supporting. Remember now you have a lot of bun companies. I could have gone and buy, but why when I can support this brand that is supporting Auntie Donna? And where Fair Platform is concerned, that's where most of the bulk of my support come from. So why not support Miss Birdie? Price Smart. So I'm gonna see if I get the milk in a Price Smart now. And if the cheese is reasonable here than down there, I also buy the cheese here too. Although someone plan to sponsor me the cheese, so I might don't buy the cheese here. Yeah, I might don't buy the cheese here. People, I hope we're buying the milk here. Because as I said, somebody promised to come on board. So I don't know if it's cheese he's gonna give me or the milk. So I'm gonna put that aside for now. Him sell both of them. So and then the price for it at Price Smart is almost the same price outside of Price Smart. So it will make a difference if me even leave and go down there and have to buy it a road. It's almost the same thing. So now I'm getting my sorrel. As you know, I have to have my sorrel, you know. Too much should I buy in a car. The time I get hot again, but sure. I have a lot of spending to do, and as you know, see, doctor visit and all them something there. Boy, Easter bun shopping and everything in our one people. No, I have to take my shrimp. Yeah, I left my shrimp at all. Yes, man. So, why the place pack people? Pack. Look upon the crowd. Alright people, remember you know, it's not a Monthend shop video this at the Bun Drive video this, but I just incorporate it all because you don't know I come and look the things same way so where me I go on so you know further down when I finish up. Alright. While people music I play out I do they come to get the cheese and the milk. Yeah man, I come to get the cheese and the milk, but some music I play out the door. He says I go and give back, it come to 11,000 odd, but it might take 9,000. I'm saying I give back, you know?
Gary, I'm making this something, yeah?
Voila. Me I get the cheese cut my people, so me can't get to go cut it up when I'm ready, but just I cut it. You know, so somebody said this to me one day about them one tin mackerel.
Just blow this around the yard cheese, brother.
Yeah, man, that's cheese and people.
Back it down now.
Yeah man, somebody tell me that one day, you know, say you bore the tin, try to say if you want the mackerel come out easy. People, the more you live, the more you learn. You're never too old for learn. Them say if you want the tin mackerel come out. No, but actually the same thing the person tell me. No, them say just bore the tin back, bore the bottom of the mackerel. Anything you have, instead of you have flash out, you just bore it and it just come out easy. So my people, I carry up the cheese, I cut it here now, just wash my hand. I left my tripod, my people, so I have to go use. I can't do it on a video at the same time, so I just wash my hand. So I cut up the cheese them now and bag up the cheese them about 12 pieces of cheese because it's 1 dozen bun despite I only have what 6 somebody on the list, but you don't know. We have a couple days to go, must find another 6 somebody. Yes man, so you don't know at the bun and cheese drive. And I forgot for the milk them now, which is a surgery milk. I'm going to show you the type of milk. Probably a few people might have said, I wish milk like him talk. So I will show you it, okay? Stay tuned. Alright, you know the cheese carry a piece of paper. So you just remove the paper from it. This is what at the bottom of the tin. And I think one is at the top also. So now I am just going to, alright, so what you do, you normally mark the cheese like in the middle. Sometimes some cut bigger and some. But I forgot to use my 2 hands and I don't have my tripod people. So stay tuned. So there you have it my people. I cut 12 slices from it, pieces from it, not slices, pieces, you know, because it's 12 person I'm catering for. I have 12 buns, okay? So I'm going to get the milk now from him. Alright, stay tuned. I'm just going to do the meantime, you know, life is a mission. Bun give back for the Easter. Yes man, this is the Monthend give back. A lot of people, you know, probably can't even afford one of the cheapest buns. So, you know, what better way more than to give back. And it's not just bun and cheese, they're going to get one of those 100% milk, not the local one in the box where you don't normally go shop, but buy the one, you know, we can keep off the fridge, but once you pull it, it have to go up on the fridge. Alright, that's the Island Dairy, the one with the car, they're going to get a quart of that also. So stay tuned. Alright, my people, come collect the milk here. So I'm going to show you what it look like when we reach up at the car. Alright? Not saying you're not idiot or nothing, you know, don't get me wrong, you know. But sometimes most people might not realize what you really attack. You understand? Yeah. Alright, I'm now going to pull the box, people, because I don't want it to shell out for me. But see it there? It said 100% pure cow's milk. And it have the cork. So then just screw the cork from it. So it's easy to angle. You don't have to drink off all of it. Once you have a fridge, once you pull it, you know, you're good to go. Once you pull it, you just rest it back in your fridge. But if it not pull or not, this is how them store them. But once it pull it, have to refrigerate. Alright, so stay tuned, you know, till when the Andy know what is going on. Alright. Alright, my people, so I'm gonna make my first stop here now. As you see, one bun. This is the brother where it say him get the shoot up in the wheelchair defending him woman after them come in. He molest him woman. Yeah. So my first stop this. So I'm gonna bust the milk box here now, people. Alright. So this is what the milk look like. Yes, man. So I'm going to Raymond, you know. Yeah, hand over to Raymond.
Yeah.
You know, on behalf of Lifeisamissiontv. You know, I look a token for the Easter. See me, great old Raymond.
Respect, Gary.
Alright. You know, I'm on a little small bun drive here, you know.
Alright.
So I eat that. Yeah.
Respect,
So
yeah.
pick up yourself.
Alright.
One little Easter bun and milk and cheese. You know, I'm on a little bun drive, you know.
Give thanks.
Oh, you know, channel on behalf of Life is a Mission as usual. So pick up yourself here.
Bless up yourself and give thanks.
Alright, my people. So I have Winston here. See me here? Mine is Swear Theme woman. So you might get theme bun and cheese and milk. What with the bag, Winston? Alright, so just say thanks.
Thank you very much and many support. Thank you for your many support.
Alright, bless up yourself.
Right. Thank you very much.
That's Winston. Was swear for wifey. Man saw when wifey tell him say go, so him not believe, boy. What you mean? Yes, people. Alright, this is the next man. The fifth recipient of the Monthend give back. Yeah, man. So theme bun and cheese and milk I go out here because I can't bother them have to show him out from where on the back of the yard. If they come feet, I mean not go in the yard. So I just beg somebody to deliver it. So yeah, man, so the big man in the wheelchair we take at the front time gate on the main road. Yeah, man, nigga Charlie. Alright, people. Smile, people. Yeah, man. Next give out, you know?
Yeah, thanks.
Alright. Bless up yourself, Donovan.
Yeah, Donovan, man. Thanks, man.
Yes, Wingy Dan. Great Wingy Dan this. You hear me, people? Great Wingy Dan this. Where's the Wingy? Alright. Alright. Yes, my people. One more, you know. One of my little YouTube follower. But him under age, so I make him anti-collect fame. See him right there? Alright. Bless up on yourself. Yeah, one more handing over, sir. Money. Miss Birdie. Alright. I'm a little general, one of the little general him under age, so him mother a collect it. You understand? Alright. Yeah, man, see there, Miss Birdie, we say support. One more handing over. Alright, you can just take up that number, boss.
Yeah, thanks, yeah.
Yeah, man, just say it again.
Thanks.
Alright, bless up yourself. Alright. Another kind of homeless man that. You hear me, people? One more handing over. So yes, my people, that conclude Life is a Mission Monthend give back. As you can see, it was a bun drive, you know, where I give back a bun and cheese, and I also give back a quarter milk, which is 100% Surgery Island, as you can see. And we support the thing, this birdie bun, you understand, you know. And as you can see, I try to give back my past 5 recipients of the Monthend give back, but I try to reach out to the student who I give the last Monthend give back. But you know, unsuccessful calls to the number. You know, I could not get in contact with the parent, so that person was ruled out. So it's only 4 of the 5 recipients of the past Monthend has received bun and cheese and milk for this Monthend give back, which is Easter. You know, it's just a bun drive. I reach out to 2 young subscribers, you know, which I have to give it to them parents, as you can see in the video, you know, and 2 other subscribers who is adult, who trust me, they are with me from grassroots, from this channel just start. They could have told me every video that as I post a video and them see me, Lord, me see that video there, me see. So that make you know said them were tuning in, not just subscribe, but they were tuning in, because they can tell you every time you post a video, them can see and tell you say them see that. So I give 2 of them off camera because I know adult and whatsoever, and you know, not everybody want into it, but just the gratitude from me, you know, I just figure more and less say, okay, I go and give 2 of my subscribers. So as you can see, me just spread it across the board. Past recipient, you know, our 2 or 3, I wouldn't say homeless. Yeah, one of them is homeless, but the next 2 is not really homeless, but they are, you know, yes. And I also mixed up with 2 of my young subscriber who, you know, say them watch my channel. Me say, oh, no, watch the channel. Me see it on my phone. So basically, you know, them support the thing and stuff. So me give it to them. One of them even said them one becomes a YouTuber, the one that me give him auntie, you know, on behalf of him. Same one becomes YouTuber, told him end up every minute him see me, him say him start a different channel. You know them kids channel, yeah. Plus, as me say, I give 2 adult subscribers. So that is it for this Monthend give back, bun and cheese drive, and milk, you know. So just bless upon yourself. Thanks for watching. Continue support both of my channels, you know, so I can continue to give back in whatever way I can. And as me say, the cash up pin in the comment section, $Lifeisamissiontv. When you people give me, if I can go in my pocket from my little to give 5 somebody, when you give me, I probably can give 7, 8, 9 or 10 somebody. So that's what the cash up is in the comment section for. And it's you ask for it, so you get it. So big thanks again to all who support. Big thanks again for whether you give $1 or just try to support the channel and you watch the ads. That is support, because that is how I can gain a revenue to do what I do. You understand? By you watching the ads and support the channel, because so the channel get a revenue. You understand? But bless upon yourself. Happy Easter when it come. And you know, we want to continue to do this, as me say. No obligated to send nothing to come, despite that I ask the cash up. But you will always see this go on a Monthend time in whatever capacity I can do it. You understand? If I can do it at this level, I will do it. If I can do it at this level, I will do it. And if I have to go below this level to do it, you will see something at the end of the month, no matter how small it is. You understand? So, I want to bless upon yourself, and thanks for watching again. Have a Merry Easter. Remember, watch the Holy Pa bun. You understand? Yes, man, watch the Holy Pa bun. So, give thanks and praise, you know, for life, you know, and we just have to just live. And not just live for ourselves alone. If we can live and help somebody else who in need of help. You understand? But not people who greedy do, you know. Because me always stress it. We are here for the needy and not the greedy. Alright? Thanks for watching. Remember the young entrepreneur college student, Life of Gabby and Chevy, YouTube link is in my comment section pin. Please give her a subscription. You know, who will tell if that channel is won't be one of the next channel who come up and try to help somebody who is in need. And in my community, you have another family member, Tamika Douglas TV. Also give her a subscription. You know, make we try to help this channel to grow. So, you know, them can come and take a page out of my book, like how I might take a page out of somebody else's book, and, you know, and see if we can help one another. You understand? To get through in life. Because all of we are fortunate. Somehow we try and things just not work. Probably not time for it to work yet, but it just not work. But at the same time, if you sit and wait for it to work, you might just, you know, pass out for hungry or whatsoever. So if we can help that person in the meantime, till that person luck can come or that person can get fortunate, why not help? So big up on yourself and thanks for watching again. I'm out.